Hi guys, this is Angel calligraphy pen, gift of creativity, and it's a box of 12 colors with extra in quantity. So now let's open and see them. So there are 12 colors. That is grey, brown, yellow, purple, orange, black, light green, dark green, pink, red, light blue and dark blue. Now let's try them on a paper. Now let's try one color. So I am taking grey. So it has both the sides. So this is thinner side. And this is broader and flat side. So I think you can see the difference. So now I am trying light blue. And the thinner side is so like that we have 12 colors. Thank you.